Good morning, guys! Second day namin sa Vientiane, so we are going to be having an early breakfast kasi we are going to Luang Prabang.
Tignan natin kung anong breakfast natin. Tignan natin kung ano to. Meron tayong fresh fruits, papaya at mango. And of course, ang ating yogurt and iba't ibang klaseng drinks natin and cereal over there. Mukhang gloomy, guys. And over here, our choices of breads.
Ayan guys, tignan natin. Meron silang varieties of breads kung anong gusto nyo, multi-grain, wheat, and so on. And then of course, meron din tayong mga different spreads over here. At guys, tingnan nyo, oh, meron pang honey at nasa comb pa siya, oh, diba? Saan ka pa?
Tapos dito guys, meron tayong granolas and different nuts. And of course, ang ating hot food. Maaga kaming pinapasok guys kasi maaga kaming aalis dahil pupunta kami ng Luang Prabang. Oh my goodness. Lunch na sa akin to guys, hindi na breakfast. At ito si Apa kumukuha ng breakfast. Ito ang traditional Lao breakfast. Meron silang sausage, meron silang salted eggs, century eggs, at meron din silang flossy meat at iba't ibang klaseng condiments. Ayan guys. Meron kaming usapan guys ni Apa na tuwing kakain kami, magsishare lang kami kasi para matikman namin lahat. Kasi itong trip namin is all about food trip.
Ayan guys, breakfast with a view tayo. At again, pasalamat ako kay Yoli Alejandrino Shorts for recommending this hotel to us. We booked a 3-night stay dito sa Salana Hotel and we did not regret it kasi I am happy with the services. The rooms are great, customer service are great, the breakfast is great, everything is great, guys. This hotel, guys, is located in the Chantabuli district here in Vientiane. Kaya very convenient siya. It is only a 15 minutes drive from the airport. Kaya you are in a very desirable area. Salamat ulit kay Yoli for recommending this hotel to us. At ayan si Apa.
At dahil bawal sa atin ng white bread, tayo ay magto-toast ng multi-grain bread.
Nag-book ako dito sa hotel guys through American Express Travel. And of course, ginamitan ko siya ng points. Mamaya, papakita ko sa inyo kung magkano siya.
Ayan, ready na ang ating mga tinapay.
Ayan, tara samahan nyo ko. Tingnan natin kung ano ang hot breakfast nila. Ayan, parang ano siya, meron siyang traditional Lao fish.
Try ko itong steamed vegetables. Yan ang aking paboritong gulay. Tapos tingnan natin kung ano to. Potatoes. Pass ako dito guys.
Ayan, kumuha din ako guys ng parang it's a baked tomato with something. It's so very flavorful. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan pero it's very good.
At dito naman tayo guys sa banda rito kung saan makikita nyo ang samot-samot saring mga condiments. Ayan, may itlog na maalat, may sausages, pero dito tayo sa Lao sausage. Ito-try natin kasi mukhang masarap siya. Pass tayo dito guys. Hi, kain na. Sabi ni Apa masarap daw yung sausage. So voice over tayo guys kasi may music.
breakfast is so good, guys. And just so you know, itong breakfast namin, guys, is kasama na sa room accommodation namin. Kaya sabi ko sa inyo, if you are planning to come to Laos, stay at this hotel. Ayan, guys, obvious pa na nag-enjoy kami sa aming breakfast. Diba? Ang sarap kasi. Guys, ang sarap ng breakfast nila. Sulit ang stay namin dito and I will recommend this hotel. Hindi kayo matidisappoint. Service, accommodation, room, breakfast. This is 10 out of 10. At ayan guys, pinapapili pa nila ako kung anong klaseng omelette ang gusto ko. Ayan, pipili tayo. At ayan si Rolet, guys, with his seconds. Kasi talaga napakasarap ng ng breakfast nila. Susulitin namin.
Supply.
Sep mo?
Supply.
Ayan guys, ang aftermath ng aming breakfast and of course ang aming view. At ayan po ang ating itsura. Tayo'y busog na busog. Halata ba? Sobra kasing sarap guys eh. Tapos nagpa-order pa ako ng omelette. So hindi ko alam kung saan ko pa ilalagay. So tingnan natin kung pwedeng ibalot. Itong hotel na to, I will put the link below at kung magkano yung rate naming nakuha for 3 nights. Ito guys, ang in-order kong lao omelette na hindi ko alam kung saan ko ilalagay. Pero try natin kasi nagawa na nila. Ayan guys, lahat na lang yata ng bawal na kain ko dito sa Laos. Pero sayang, so bahala na si Batman. Masarap ang lao omelette guys. Very crunchy siya. At saka meron siyang kasamang bean sprout. So, ayan. Buti na lang tinry natin. So, hi guys! We are going to Luang Prabang and ito ang ating service. I-drop nila kami sa aming train station. Ayan. Guys, ang ganda ng service.
See you later.
Alright! Kopchay! Kopchay Laila!
See you!
Alright! Train ride. Ito ang Laos guys, para ka lang nasa guys, nandito kami sa train station. Naghihintay kami ng 9:45 train namin. Ayan si Ama. And guys, nasa train station kami. We are waiting for our train ride. So, ang train namin is 9:45. Magbo-board kami ng 9:25. We are heading to Luang Prabang to see a famous vlogger that we are following. Subscriber niya tayo. And then, nalaman-laman namin na family siya ng family namin. So, exciting, di ba? So, malalaman natin mamaya kung sino. And guys, pag nakita niyo siya, i-follow niyo ha. Ilalagay ko yung account niya, yung sa YouTube channel niya. Actually, he's a It's. Yan. So, baybayan niyo siya.
Ito ang kanyang YouTube account, guys. Follow her. She is a Filipina, but she is based in Luang Prabang and she has more than 1 million subscriber. And sikat siya sa buong Asia.
Alright guys, nakapila na kami sa aming train. Yan.
Ayan guys, ready na kami to board our train going to Luang Prabang. Kukwento ko sa inyo, nasa States pa lang ako, nagpa-purchase na ako ng train ticket sa anak ko. Nagpunta siya sa website, kaso ang website na napuntahan niya is a third party. So instead na $35 each way ang ticket namin, napamahal kami dahil nga third party siya. Umuwi siyang $94 round trip for each passenger. So ang binayaran ko is $188. Whereas kung didiretso ka sa website ng LCR, it would only cost you $35.
Just aboarded the train. Please be seated according to the seat number on your ticket. Please put your belongings specified racks or the luggage room on the far end of the coach. Please take out the cups, umbrellas, and other items in the side pockets of the backpack on the luggage rack to avoid the dropping and hurting others. We are now arriving at the Bangbiang station.
And there you go guys, we are heading to Luang Prabang. So kukwento ko rin sa inyo, we decided to purchase a first class train ticket kasi gusto namin comfort and safety. Kasi nga first time kami magta-travel ng Luang Prabang, so hindi pa namin alam. But anyway, ano ba ang difference ng regular coach at saka ng first class? Of course, sa first class, the first class has 2 rows each chairs on either side of the aisle, one less than the second class carriage. Kaya very siya, it is thus roomier than the regular seat carriage. So actually pareho din namang makakarating ka sa destination nyo. Yun nga lang if you are looking for comfort, I would say na nag first class kami kasi konti lang naman ang difference.
Ba't kaday? Boyan.
At ayan guys, nakakita tayo ng sandwich o ang tinatawag nilang kauchi sa Lao. Bumili rin tayo ng matikman natin. Kasi I remember when we were younger, bumibili kami niyan. Ang mga kauchi nila is merong siyang konting influence ng French. Ayan. Kaya bagets ang mga ginagamit nila. Ayan, so bili tayo ng isa and then meron pa akong nakita. Ayan, nakakita pa ako ng
Ano ito, Day? Kukan loy nung? Tong
ayan po, nagbayad kami sa BAT at kami ay sinuklian ng Laotian Kip. So, bali nalugi na naman kami. Pero anyway, on with our trip.
guys,
Please do not approach the door.
บรรดาทางนี้เหล็กทางซ้ายประตูรถไฟจะปิดแล้วกรุณาอย่ายืนอยู่ใกล้ประตู女士们、先生们，车门即将关闭，请勿靠近。 Nasa Trenta rin kami guys. 1 hour na lang nasa Luang Prabang na kami. So ang dinadaanan namin ngayon is mga tunnel. So wala kang makikita kundi blackout. Pitch dark dahil nga sa tunnel siya dumadaan.
After ng tunnel guys, guys, ayan, dumaan kami sa maraming rice fields at napakaraming mga bulubundukin na it's all greenery. And we are finally in Luang Prabang. So, bababa na kami and now, ang next naman namin hahanapin kung saan kami makakahanap ng masasakyan papuntang town proper ng Luang Prabang. Luang Prabang na kami, guys. Ayan. Ayun yung sinakyan namin tren. Parang mga langgam ang mga tao. Ang dami.
Ayan guys, nakasakay na kami sa van papunta sa hotel namin. Yung mga van na to, pinupuno nila. So kami, pinayaran namin ng kami lang. So bali nagbayad kami ng 400,000 tip. So mamaya i-convert ko kung magkano siya US or sa peso. Magkano? So ayun, sabi ni Apa, $18 kami lang dalawa. Kasi ayoko nang may kasama sa van. So solo namin ang van.
Ayan guys, going to the town proper ng Luang Prabang from the train station is through either a van, a taxi, at meron din silang Loka or yung equivalent ng Grab or Uber sa US. Ayan. It is actually a 20 to 30 minutes drive from the station to the town proper. At ayan ang nadadaanan namin. Ano siya, very countryside siya. At ang weather is para ka lang nasa Pilipinas. And at that time when we were there, nag-uumpisa siyang umulan. Luckily, hindi masyadong malakas ang ulan at that time. So anyway, ayan, nakikita nyo, palapit na tayo sa town proper ng Luang Prabang. Ang Luang Prabang, guys, is the ancient capital of Luang Prabang province in northern Laos. It lies in a valley at the confluence of the Mekong and Namkan rivers. Inhabited for 1,000 of years, it was actually the royal capital of the country until 1975. At dahil meron ng train, bullet train from Vientiane to Luang Prabang, it only takes you 2 hours to be in Luang Prabang. Unlike before, it will take you 6 hours. Dito ako nag-book ng aming one-night stay, guys, kasi this is the center of Luang Prabang. We paid $43 for an overnight stay, kasama na ang breakfast. At kung mapapansin nyo, guys, ang mga nag-check-in dito, when they go to their room, kailangan mag-alis ng tsinelas. Very Lao style pala yung ganyan. And then, kung mapapansin nyo, itong building is old. Katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, you cannot build new buildings sa Luang Prabang kasi they would like to keep it that way dahil nga na-declared siyang World Heritage. So, ayan ang building kung saan kami naka-check-in. At bawal siyang iyak-yak yung mga shoes, kaya meron silang provide na tsinelas. Ayan. Tingnan natin dito. Ayan guys. Ang aming accommodation for tonight. Tingnan nyo guys, oh, may mangga sila, oh. May bunga yung mangga. Pwede kayong hindi tayo. So, tuturo ko kayo. Ayan. Balik tayo. Ito ang ating kwarto. Ayan, nakahiga na si Roret kasi galing kami sa train. Tapos umuulan, may dala kaming payong. Kaya makikita nyo yung mga payong. Pinapatuyo namin. So, ayan guys, ang aming kwarto. Ang laki oh. Okay na. Ayan. Ito ang kama. King size bed. Ayan. Ito ba? Oh, ayan tayo. Tapos meron siyang refrigerator. Tingnan natin kung may laman. May laman. At ito ang mga presyo. Punta tayo sa bathroom. Ito ang bathroom nila. So, ayan. Ginamit na namin kaya medyo magulo. Nag-trend kami ng 2 hours. Ayan ang kanilang banyo. At least may hair dryer sila. Ayan. Ayan ang shower. Ayan ang shower. At ang toilet. Ayan. So, okay na. One night and lang. At pagkatapos namin nakasettle sa aming room, tinawagan na namin sila Idol. Ayan po ang lovely sister, si Kisa, at ang kanyang magandang kapatid na si Abby. At hindi ko na nakuhanan kasi na-overwhelm ako, na sobra ako nag-excite. Dinala nila kami rito at dito kami kakain.
Taipen.
Oh, sabihin mo yung ano, yung sabihin mo.
Binigla mo naman ako eh. Ano kasi nasabihin?
Hindi mo na maalala.
Supply.
Oh. With emotion.
Supply.
Oh. At ito ang aming first meal sa Luang Prabang. At kumakain kami dito sa restaurant where President Obama visited when he came to visit Luang Prabang. Ayan. Mekong River view namin, guys.
Wala, di tinitignan niya.
Tamakulaw style because may padek.
Ayan guys, ang sinasabi kong famous vlogger sa Luang Prabang. She is Filipina but she is based in Luang Prabang, and here shown with her lovely sister. Na sobra ako na starstruck. Ano? Ay, kukunan kita. God. And after enjoying our first authentic Lao, late lunch actually, Lao meal, nakita namin itong litrato ni President Obama, and then naikwento sa amin ni Kisa na it was in September of 2016 when he visited Laos. He was actually the first sitting US president to visit Laos, and this is where he had his fresh coconut juice. Kaya tinawag siyang Obama Coconut. At dito po nagwawakas ang ating Park 3 Vientiane trip sa Luang Prabang visit. Meron pa pong kasunod to, abangan nyo. And please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you!